This is a brand new 2014 Honda Accord Crosstour. It has a 3.5-liter 6-cylinder engine, a 6-speed automatic transmission, and 4-wheel drive. Features include heated seats, traction control and stability control systems, cruise control, leather seats, side curtain airbags, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, air conditioning with automatic climate control, full power accessories, front fog lights, and a sunroof enables you to fill the cabin with fresh air at the push of a button. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Thank you for considering Wild Easttown Honda for your next luxury vehicle. If you have any questions, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership located at 5555 High Crossing Boulevard in Madison.